Hi everyone, this Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to separate your quick panel and your notification panel on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have the One UI, which basically introduces a new interface where the quick settings panel, settings for Wi-Fi brightness, is no longer fused with the notification panel. You can now just pull down separately to access controls or notification depending on your swipe gesture. So as you can see currently, my notification and my quick panel menu has been fused together, and I want this to become separate. So no matter where I swipe, I always get both of them together, and I find this really annoying. So let me show you how you can separate the quick panel and the notification panel on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So go ahead and first bring down the notification or the quick panel menu, tap on, now go ahead and swipe again, and then go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. Then you want to go ahead and tap on panel settings. From here, search separate, select that, and then press home. Now when you go ahead and swipe down from the right, you see the quick panel menu. And when it's swiped from the left, you'll see your notification panel. So this change offers clear multitasking, reduces accidental taps, and makes your daily phone use feel more organized and intuitive, especially for power users. So there you go guys, that is how to separate the quick panel and your notification panel on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.